Patrick, thank you very much for the kind invitation to sunny Switzerland today at your headquarters at EROWA. But for those engineers worldwide that may not know EROWA and what products you actually offer into the automation sector, could you tell us what you do offer here?
Yeah, so EROWA is a worldwide organization with 11 subsidiaries all over the world with 560 employees. And all we do is actually around increasing the productivity on your machining tools. What does that mean? We could simply say it's an automation company, but in fact it's much more than that. We rather offer an entire concept consisting on 4 steps. We call this concept the flexible manufacturing concept, or short FMC.
Now, interestingly enough, I saw a graph in your office talking about 8,760. Now, I'm just having a guess. Is that the amount of hours that your machine tool could run in a year?
Yeah, 8,760 hours is actual the time potential what a year can bring. And of course, it's a big challenge to use all of this, but you wouldn't believe that some of our customers really are able to work 8,000 hours with our concept. Yeah.
Now that's quite amazing, because if you think about the human element, holidays for instance, and social time, let's say, it's quite interesting that you're really trying to optimize each machine tool to the maximum it can be. That's what EROWA about. Is that correct?
Exactly, yeah. It starts with the first step, standardization, which executes all the downtimes of the machines with the help of preparing part outsides and bringing it in very accurately thanks to the high repeatability of the clamping systems. Then the organization, step 2, helps a good preparation of the parts outside the machines as well. The automation, of course, is the most effectful step in this 4-step concept, because it allows to run the machines unmanned during the nights and also in the weekends. And finally, of course, the software system, the JMS 4.0, makes possible that we can have the right data, what we need for the whole manufacturing, on the right place at the right point of time.
So I probably understand that you probably get involved in certain aspects of a customer's demands at the start, but can EROWA actually help customers that have got pre-existing machine tools and adapt?
Yes, this is possible. Retrofitting is a very important part of our business as well. That means we can fit machines with interfaces. We can connect our robots to these interfaces. All you need is air on the machine table finally. We can even provide robot doors, as we call it, which allow the robots to access into the machine. And so, yeah, this is absolutely possible.
So for any engineers that are watching this video that want to maximize their machine tool, their spindle, what's the best way to get in touch, and how can they see your products actually working?
Yeah, the best way, of course, is if you visit us here in our showroom. So welcome here to Switzerland, I can say. First of all, you can see most of our products here in the showroom, but also, of course, in our production, where we produce all these products, we use our concept, our own, of course. So you can see the clamping systems, you can see the robots in work, you can see also the job management system in work. So it would be a fantastic opportunity to come here and to see our products in use, really. Huh?
And one thing I've really learned myself is that automation is a word, but there's so many more elements, and I think EROWA have just demonstrated that for me personally. Thank you very much for your time, Patrick.
Thank you for coming, and all the best. Yeah.